On today's episode of Quick Take, we're going to have a look at the 7420 model. This is the highest output normally aspirated car we produce, and is also the most powerful car you can buy in kit form. Naturally, you can also buy it in factory build form, and 420s will hit 60 in just 3.8 seconds and top out at 136 miles an hour. They feature a 2-litre Duratec engine with 210 brake horsepower. You can specify your new 420 either in an S-Pack for a more road-focused feel, or an R-Pack such as this car with a few more track options. If you want to discuss a 420 or anything else in the range, pick up the phone to the sales team at Caterham Gatwick on 01293 312 300. And as always, if you want to make sure you don't miss out on all the latest Caterham videos, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, because there'll be more videos coming along really soon.